provide supplies, snacks, and a small thank you gift. My philosophy on dispensaries is that your aim is to be city famous, right? You know, unless you're a massive MSO and you want to go really, really big, and even then, I still think you need to be city famous for each of the dispensary locations. At the end of the day, a business is transacting with real people. And I know digital marketing and social media makes it seem like people are just pixels on a screen and just a follower count online and just a like on your profile. But at the end of the day, a business is geared towards interacting with people because you're providing a product or a service, and in exchange, they're giving you their hard-earned money. And let's face it, there's still stigma around cannabis, right? And the really cool thing about these community engagement initiatives is, one, it's just a good thing to do. But two, over time, and if you're in this game for a long time, you end up knowing the community. The community ends up knowing you, right? You get the word of mouth going. People end up saying they know, like, and trust your business and will choose you over everyone else. A big thing that is looming over everyone's head is consolidation, right? So whenever time the legalization, rescheduling, all those buzzwords happen from a political standpoint happen, people also pretty much agree that there's going to be some level of consolidation. But even before that, there is market saturation. Whether you like it or not, you're selling a commodity. And with that, it's very hard to differentiate yourself from dispensary 1 to dispensary 2, because a pre-roll is a pre-roll in the eyes of most people, unless you educate them properly. Hence going back to the email education piece, right? If you do these community engagement initiatives, you set yourself up to be different from the dispensary down the street, because you're the dispensary that is going out, helping the city, cleaning up the garbage, whatever it is, whatever, you know, your neighborhood needs, right? And you're able to differentiate yourself aside from product, so that people end up purchasing from you greater. And at the end of the day, brand is the thing that's going to get you past market saturation and get you either past consolidation or giving you that really, really good multiple when the big guys come in with a lot of their money. So this...
See, that lines up with that branding video short that I made on the cultivation channel. Shout out to Team Deep Water cultivation channel, because it's its own thing since it is a business. Yeah, you dig? But anyways, yeah, go check out the cultivation channel and you'll see that little short, which leads you to the other video. If y'all didn't know, that's the good thing about collaborations. You can actually click on the original content that we clip to make the short collaboration from and go watch that full video, you dig? Which is why we do a lot of shorts on the cultivation channel, because, you know, we're just trying to get you hip to some information. Shout out to passing it around like a good session. You got to pass that information, you dig? But yeah, I ain't gonna give y'all all the sauce from him. We're gonna slow back down the play speed to regular for those who didn't notice. That's why I do it mid-video, right? And go on to the next one. It's like I said, y'all know I'm based in Kansas City. So, you know, we appreciate our big homie, Show Me Sasquatch. He putting up some of that KC Chiefs art. Appreciate that. Y'all know to go check out Show Me Sassy. That's at SHOWMESSASQUATCH. Yeah, you dig?
So let's get back to the topic. I've got the garlic in there. I'm going to chop up this onion. I'm going to put a little bit of water, and I'm going to just let those saute down. Is sugar like crack? What do you all know about the studies? Have you seen any studies? Are you familiar with this, that sugar is addictive? And one of the main ways that we get it is in our ultra-processed foods. So anything that's processed or ultra-processed, for example, if you're eating a tomato, that's just a whole food. If you turn that tomato into ketchup, if you turn that tomato into any sort of sauce, then it's processed. And it may be ultra-processed, like ketchup would be ultra-processed, because you can't even recognize it anymore. If it's salsa, that would be processed, because it has been changed, but it's not ultra-processed, where there's been all these additives and all these